Libra. This is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, let's go into your channel song. I know you think I shouldn't love you or tell you that I got it off. But if I didn't say it, I'd still have felt it. Where's the sense in that? I promise I'm not trying to make your life harder or return where we were. But I'll go down with this ship, and I won't put my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flags above my door. I'm in love and always will be. I will go down with this ship, and I won't put my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flags above my door. Libra, I'm in love and always will be. I'm getting you're in love, Libra, and you will always will be. And I'm getting you're not going to put up a white flag saying, I don't love you anymore. I'm getting you knew you love somebody from the first time you have met them, Libra, 2 bags of sugar. And I'm getting you're willing to fight for this. Feeling life for just, feeling fine for just. Spend them life for Libra, fight for Libra, time for Libra. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your messages. We have the Knight of Cups coming out first. Yeah, I'm getting, so this could be a gentleman. We're getting a man saying this. There will be no white flags above my door. I'm in love. Or me getting a knight and shining armor is coming home. Him a come back, him a come home, him coming to you. Or me getting you're going to get a knock on your door and you're going to open your door and see this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. And you're going to say, how the fuck you find me? How did, what? Me getting you going to be so fucking surprised. Yeah, the High Priestess. Damn, I'm getting it's a Cancer. It's a Cancer man. I want Cancer. It could be Pisces, but I'm getting Cancer. I'm getting this man, him know you. Me getting him know you. Him know him love you since the first time he meet you. Me getting him know where you live. Him know almost everything about you. Me getting him gonna surprise you. Him know you read tarot. If you read tarot, him know you want occultist. Him know you want witch. Whatever you want to call yourself. Me getting the man you know you. Me getting him been watching you so long now, like a long time now. And me getting somebody never gave up hope on. Me getting somebody probably love you before you was in the occult. Me getting somebody watch you before you do this, them I watch you during it, and them me getting somebody watch you progress your life. But they never intervene. Until now. Now them want to intervene. Me getting a Gemini, me kinda getting Cancer though. Yeah, I'm getting somebody that surprise you, they might come to you. Now, for some reason, this card is giving me rejection. Yeah, I reject them. Maybe I reject them because you think they're going to hurt you. Because, I mean, who don't want the High Priestess on them side? You get access to information you wouldn't dream of. So, but me getting the man that going to show up, him know you, him locate you, him find you, him going to show up and ask you for your hand, or him want to talk to you. I see you being resistant, but I don't know why. The Magician, because you don't know if him manipulate you. You don't know if him, or you feel like somebody make you wait too long. Me getting you said that you made me wait so long. You could have checked up on me, you could have said hi to me. You never, it's not like you weren't here. You are here, you are watching me going through all of this. Even if you never want to blow your cover, even though I don't think this person could have met you without blowing them cover. Me getting them could have, me getting you don't like how somebody did something. The Magician card, you don't like how them do it. That's not the way you would do it. Or me getting that's just not the way how forget you. You don't know if somebody gonna hurt you again. You don't know if somebody a lie. You don't know. Me getting you feel like somebody could at least shown you a familiar face while you were going through what you were going through. Instead, them mask behind a curtain, a fucking behind the scenes camera, and them watch you. And I guess they were saying at the perfect time I'll come to her. Me getting the perfect time pass already. You make somebody wait too long. You're dealing with a high priestess too. So you might be an emotional man trying to plan a wedding. You're dealing with a psychic. And psychic people who in the occult know that they don't control time. You don't plan next week you're gonna do something. You stay with the person until the right moment when you say, you know what, this is the proper moment, and you execute it. That's how the high priestess work. She don't say, okay, me abandon this person, and 3 years right before they move on, me come back and surprise them and we're gonna fall in love again. That's not what the high priestess does. The high priestess would have been in the person's life, watching them go through what they need to go through, and at the perfect moment, them and the person would have kissed, and then it would have been a relationship. Me getting the high priestess don't like how you do something. You can't tell me say Adam never eat the blood clot apple, you know. Because the way some man love rush for going to bed with them, you cannot tell me that Adam never forced the apple. It was not Eve. I don't think it was Eve. Furthermore, why would Eve get wet before Adam getting an erection? That don't make sense to me. Anyways, yeah, so the high priestess, something about this woman, but me getting no white flags. So maybe somebody don't think them finished with you, or them think that's it, the war is over, you'll never see them again. I'm like, gotcha, bitch. So you're going to see somebody again. The two of swords, you never thought you'd see this person again, you're going to see them again. Or I'm getting, you're going to be like, I'm getting you really angry at how somebody did something. Because me getting you never have to be so confusing, you never have to be like it didn't have to be that way. And I'm getting, they're not doing this to a normal girl, they might do it to a high priestess, which makes it different. That's why she won't reciprocate you as much, because you deal with a high priestess. You literally deal with somebody who will go years celibate. And the Six of Pentacles, yeah, I don't see you getting much out of this. Or I'm getting the motive of being with you is because of your gifts. You can't stop war, you can't end war. If you're on someone's side, you can't end war. You can't make people put up a white flag. Cancer. Yeah, I deal with a Cancer man. I'm getting you don't like him execution, but I guess he likes you, so. Aquarius, there's nothing a little I love you and kisses can't solve. We have Virgo, we have Cancer, we have Aquarius. How much more zodiac gonna fall into this shit? We have cheating, and we have nous avons phone number. So I'm getting somebody that cheat with the Aquarius. If you go in them phone, you're gonna see them texting an Aquarius. It ain't my business though. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.